Hello everyone. In this session we'll see how to do the BAdI implementation for the screen enhancement of transaction code VA01. Here in this session we'll see how to add the new fields on the VA01 transaction code. So the business requirement is we want to add those three new fields, and the new fields to be shown in a separate tab with the name as registration details. Also, whenever any changes made with VA02 for those three fields, system should capture the changes. Okay, so what are the steps in this? The very first point is we have to add the new fields in the VBAK structure, VBAK table, with the help of append structure. This is also called as the data dictionary enhancement. Second, we have to create a executable program with subscreen, and on that subscreen we have to add the fields from the VBAK table. Then we have to find out the suitable BAdI with the help of SC24 or SC84 or SC18. Once we find out the BAdI names, we can see the definition in the SC18T code. That can be a classic BAdI or a enhancement spot. Once we find out the suitable BAdI or enhancement spot, then we can do the implementation with SC19. So here for this requirement, we'll use the enhancement spot, that is BAdI underscore sales underscore head underscore screen underscore cast. Okay, so we'll see all this in this session. So as the very first point is adding the new fields into the VBAK structure. Now go to SC11, enter the name as VBAK, click on display, go to append structure, click on create, give the name as ZZVBAK2, we'll give the heading as registration details, add our new field here ZZ originum, we'll create a data element here, let me give the ZX, save in the package first. Now to create a data element, double click here, this is a data element, give the label as registration number, we have to give label here REG number, in the further characteristics here we have to check this checkbox, that is change document, then only we'll get the change log history, otherwise we will not get the change log history. Now here give a predefined type, let's say char 40, save, activate. Now in the same way add remaining two fields, that is ZZ REG date, ZX REG date, double click here, create, yes, data element, give the name as registration date, go to the field label, go to further characteristics, tick change document, in the data type it will be predefined type dates, save and activate. Now third one, that is REG office. Okay, so we'll create a data element for REG office, ZX REG office. Double click here, give the label as registration office. We'll use the predefined type as character 40 again. Go to further characteristics, change document, give the field label, now in this way we are about to finish the first, that is adding the new fields. Here click on activate. This may take some time, so in this way here we will be finishing the first one, that is add the new fields in the VBAK table. Okay, now we'll create a program and we'll create a subscreen. First let this get activated. This may take some time. Because the structure get adjusted in the table, that's why it takes some time. Yes, so it is activated. Go back. Now this is a VBAK table. So here at the bottom we can see our new include program, that is VBAK2 with our new fields. Okay, so here we have done with the first part. Now create a program, go to SC38, use ZSO create, give the name as ZSO underscore custom underscore fields 3, click on create, VA01 custom fields, save in a package. Here give the table name VBAK, save and activate. Click on display object list. Here right click and create a new screen. Give the screen name as 9000. Here select subscreen. Give the label as custom fields for registration details. Go to the layout. On the layout we have to add our custom fields which we have created. Here we'll create one box. Now click on dictionary program, enter table as VBAK. Now as we know our field name is started with ZZ. Get from dictionary. You can see 3 fields are here. Select all 3 fields, drag and drop on the screen. Now to provide a search help for the registration date, double click here. In the program, here select 2. This is for the F4 help for the date. Save, check, activate. Now what we want, in case of transaction called VS03, we want all the fields should be in disable mode, right? For that create this module in same program. Here what we'll do, if site decode contain string 3, if the decode is VA03 or contain string 3, then loop at screen, end loop, screen input equal to 0, modify screen. Okay, so what we're doing here, if the T code is VS03, then make the screen input as 0. Now activate the program. So what we have done, we created a program with a screen with 9000. Okay, so in this way we have done with the second step, second and third step, that is creation of a program and adding the fields on the screen. Now we find out the body. So how to find out the body or enhancement spot? So go to SC24, enter the class name as class underscore exit handler, click on display, double click on get instance. Here put a breakpoint at time of 14. Here the body name will become in the exit underscore name. Now once you set the breakpoint here, create one sales order with the VA01. So every time we press enter, that exit should get triggered. Enter VA01. So you can see the debugger is getting started. We have to note down all the names of this field, exit underscore name. Press F8. You can see this is the first field. Press F8. Second field. There are multiple enhancement exporter bodies for one transaction code. Press enter. Enter the customer code. So note down all the body names. Like this way. Okay, so till we finish the transaction code, there might be several bodies. Now this is the header level. Here we'll add our new tab. After this additional tab B, we'll be adding the new tab. Go back. So like this way, we can find out all the body names. Okay. Click on save. You can see every time there are multiple bodies are called. So this order number is created. Okay. Now let me remove the breakpoint. Once we note down all the body name, then we have to check the body definition. Here I have noted down all the body names. There are so many bodies in that transaction code VA01. I have noted down all the body names. Okay, so what I found is body underscore sales head table, that is an enhancement export that is used for the addition of custom field. So copy this because we have to check the body definition. Okay, we have to check the body definition. Now go to SC18, click on body name. If you display this, we can see this is an enhancement export rather than a classic body. Okay, so we have to do the implementation for this body. Okay, so we'll do the implementation for this. On the SC18, click on display, expand this, click on interface. You can see what are the methods, what are the interface provided in this body enhancement export. There is activate tab page. So whenever you want to add new tab, that have to be activated using this. Now double click on implementation. Here right click, create BAdI implementation. Here click on create enhancement implementation. Give the name as set BAdI underscore. We can give any name starting with Z or Y. Enter. Save in a package. Double click on this. Here give the BAdI implementation name. We'll give the same name here. And the implementing class. With the description as custom fields for registration details. Save in a package. Expand this. Click on implementing class. Here we can see all the methods of that class. Double click here. Do you want to create an interface? Click yes. To see the import and export parameters for this method, click on signature. So here we can see there is a changing parameter that is called as city underscore cus underscore head underscore tab. This contains all the tab name which are activated for that header screen. So what we'll do, we'll add ls underscore cus underscore head underscore tab, like line of this. Okay, so what we've done, we have created one work area of this type. Now double click here. If we check what are the fields of this, so here we have to give the head caption name. So what caption we required? As I told you, we want to show new fields under the tab is registration details. So this tab name we have to give in the head caption. And the program name, the custom program which we have created as per the step number 2, that program name to be given in head underscore program, and the screen number we have to give here. Okay, so I will copy all 3 fields, go back, now here let me copy this work area. Head caption, what we required, registration details. Okay, second, program name, which program we have created, that name we have to give here. Let me check our program name. So this is the program which we have created. Copy this program name, give the program name here, and the third is the screen number. I think we have created the screen number 9000, that is to be given here. Okay, then finally append this work area to this tab. Okay, save and activate, share check and activate. So in this what we have done, we have activated the custom tab, that is the registration details. We can add multiple tabs here. Now go back, click on implementing class, just activate all. Here no need to do anything in the method transfer data to subscreen or get data from subscreen. We have to implement only this one. Okay, so we can see this is activated now. Okay, now activate again. Implementation will not be called. Let me check if all is okay. Go back. Go back. Okay, so in this way we have created the implementation class. Now let me go to VA01. I think yes, so here we can see the registration details. Okay, the new 3 fields. Now what we'll do, let me enter the details. In the condition, go back. At the header level, enter some details: the registration number 123, registration date, select any date, registration office, let's say Mumbai. Now save the transaction code. So you can see the order number 95 is created. Now just go to display mode, that is VA03. So here we can see it is in display mode. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll do some changes. Go to T code VA02, change the number, change the date, let's say it's Pune, save. Now once we do the changes, if you want to see the changes, I think it is environment, changes, overview, document items, additional info, click execute. So here you can see the registration date is changed, the registration number is changed, and the registration office is changed. Okay, we can see the what was the old value and the new value. The old value was 5th, the new value is 4. Okay, so in this way we have seen how to add a custom tag for the transaction code VA01 with the help of BAdI. So in this way we have finished this session. Thank you.